The right chairs can make or break a camping trip. No one wants to go into a s'mores-induced sugar coma while squirming in a flimsy foldable. And if you're lugging all your gear on a backpacking journey, a portable seat you can properly rest on is even more crucial. With so many different best camping chairs on the market, it can be hard to know which one is best for you. Our expert team provides an in-depth overview of the top 5 best camping chairs on the market and helps you decide which one is perfect for you. This video aims to provide the viewer with enough information. Take a few minutes to check out link on description box for each product mentioned. So don't wait, watch our full video. Product number 1. Kijaro Dual Lock Chair. The Kijaro Dual Lock Camping Chair has everything you need for a convenient and comfortable stay in the wilderness. Equipped with a locking feature that ensures it stays taut, this chair immediately impressed us with its standout comfort and sturdiness. The firm yet cozy seat is supportive enough to sit in for hours, and we were particularly pleased by how supportive the armrests were compared to other chairs with a similar design. You don't always find comfortable oversized chairs, and this chair works for everyone in my family. And after regularly using the chair for 6 months, and leaving it out in the rain on occasion, it's still in great condition. Thoughtful features like a zippered pocket for securing valuables, a mesh cell phone pouch, and 2 cup holders make the Kijaro exceptionally convenient for everything from tailgates to beach days. Product number 2. Yizi Portable Camping Chair. Trichology's Yizi Go is an incredible value in the ultralight chair space. Delivering on its get-up-and-go promise, the Yizi Go is exceptionally easy to carry, set up, and pack away. After regularly using the chair for 6 months, we found that it's one of the easiest options to set up and break down. In addition to being very compact, its stuffed sack has a strap for easy transport and safekeeping under the chair when you're using it. The convenience continues with 2 side pockets that function as cup holders or storage for other provisions. The chair is comfy enough for all-day sitting, and we appreciated that the back was higher on this chair than the other lightweight. Product number 3. Loveseat Double Camp Chair. Significantly less expensive than our overall favorite 2-seater, this Loveseat comes at a fantastic price for a large piece of camping furniture. It's definitely comfortable, and although it couldn't topple Kelty for the top spot, we'd recommend it to someone looking for a 2-person chair at an accessible price. Trademark's Loveseat is also lighter and more compact than our overall favorite 2-person chair, and we were surprised by how supportive and sturdy it was given its small size. Product number 4. Camping Chair with Side Table. Coleman's heavy-duty outdoor chair with a side table can transform your camping mealtimes. An aluminum side table flips up when you're ready to feast and includes a cup holder. The chair's backrest is slightly angled, and those who prefer firm support enjoyed the strong, taut fabric. Thanks to the extra space for cup handles, mugs easily fit in the beverage slot. Although it doesn't come with a carrying bag, the chair has 2 built-in handles. The Coleman chair does have a unique folding design that we did not find very intuitive, but it worked smoothly once they got the hang of lifting up the sides of the seatbed to collapse the chair. Product number 5. Coleman Portable Camping Chair. This affordable, durable, comfortable chair is tailored to those who like their refreshments. The cooler pocket fits 4 standard cans and zips up to insulate your beverages of choice. In addition to the cooler, the chair has a mesh cup holder, 2 mesh pockets, and a roomy seat that's 24 inches wide. It easily folds up and slips into its shoulder strap carrying bag and is lightweight enough to carry to a picnic. While the padded seat and armrests are great for campers who like a cushion feel, some may find the chair lacking in back support.
All those products in our listing have been used and tested by our experts team. We made this top product list based on experiences, expert opinion analysis about those products' features, reviews, quality, price and performance. So don't wait. Take a few minutes to check out the discount price on description below. If you have any queries, please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for never miss more great content like this one. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.